And I'm funny much too, so when I'm funny, please laugh for me. It encourages me, thank you. So first of all, who likes money? Who likes money? Who wants this? Come for it, first person. I saw. So we will do right.
Okay, you hold up.
Second person. I will tell you why I'm doing this. And also, hold on. Okay, you want to go. I will tell you why you think I'm giving you this. They go break. In the middle somewhere, I will continue. Have you clapped for those who came in? Now, let me tell where I did this exercise. For me, I'm all about confidence. That's why I asked that question. She was confident and she needed the money. She came for it. She didn't care whether she was broke or not. She didn't care what other people think. You get it? Now, the third lady refused to go. Confidence. So she took the money. She also didn't care what you people think. Confidence. Now, my topic here relates to confidence. It's relevance. That's what I meant to talk. Relevance. Women are very, extremely, highly relevant. So, how to stay relevant in our parts of this world. Can I hear someone say relevant? Relevant. Staying relevant. Staying relevant. Thank you. How do I stay relevant? I will equate this to my industry because that's where I'm coming from, and that's one of the most difficult industries, the entertainment industry. It encompasses politics, football, sports, movies, music. These four. I can give you politics, sports, movies, and music. Very difficult industry. Banking industry, not bad. Accounting, social services, but politics, or get into football. You've seen it as well. I mean, the money is good over there, but get there and then you will see. We have a speaker here from politics. I mean, they are here, so when they come, you understand where I'm coming from. Now, how to stay relevant in this industry so your name doesn't die, your brand doesn't die, so that you still appeal to people or your fans or the world in general, so that you don't go broke, because that's what we live by. Our brand, relevance. Now, it's mostly easy for the men in the entertainment industry because naturally we live in a man's world. Whether we like it or not, we live in a man's world, and that's why we are here to try, convince, and change the status quo. Empower women. Everyone just so. Why not just first? And then you're So, for me, from childhood, my mom would push me into go and do something. And I was a very shy girl, confidence. I come there again. I had extreme low self-esteem because my father died when I was 8 years. I didn't even know. And again, in Ghana, there, people, if you have caste, if you're mixed, if you're mulatto, with the beef, the fear, how that they were. She answered first. Thank you. So people thought that I'm okay, so to speak, because that's the perception about half-caste children. Not for me. Again, like I said, I didn't even know he was dead, but I saw the changes at home. And my mom was a single mother, because at that age, she was forced to become a single mother. I was 8. I wasn't even 10 years old, so you can imagine. Hey, from fried rice to garri. For a half cat girl, from jollof rice to dokno, soakings, no milk, rock, vegetables. Yeah, garri. Some